Group 1. Its member. The teacher. Procedure text. Ingredients. Tools. Let's go to the video. Steps. Step 1. Cut the meatballs into small pieces. Step 2. Mix small chilies, large chilies, shallots, and garlic. Step 3. Blend the mixture until smooth. Step 4. Heat the oil. Step 5. Pour the chili sauce into the pan. Step 6. Stir in the chili sauce. Then add the Masako seasoning. Step 7. Pour in the meatballs and stir until cooked. Step 8. Once cooked, place it on the spring roll skin, then close it like a spring roll. Step 9. And fry until cooked. Step 10, or last. Then take it and it's ready to eat. It looks very delicious, yeah.